Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to turn on auto remove titles on Audible application. So how to turn on auto remove titles on Audible application? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, open the Audible app on your Android device. This is the initial screen of the Audible app. Next, tap the profile icon at the bottom left. And it appears like this. Tap the profile icon at the top right. Tap Data and Storage. And tap Auto Remove Titles. So that's it, tutorial how to turn on Auto Remove Titles audiobooks on Audible application. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful. See you in the next video.